Can they waste 1 year?
No, it is not possible. The best solution is the re-NEET, or either
Re-NEET for everyone.
not for everyone. First solution is that NTA should identify the centers with wrongdoing.
No, one minute. See, listen. First of all, be clear about it, Nitin.
Let me put it that way.
Oh, okay.
So the point is, the problem is that कि NTA ने जिस जगह पर एग्जाम कराए, जहाँ पे चीटिंग हुई, उनको आइडेंटिफाई करा जा सकता है. NTA ने अपनी डेटा लिस्ट में दिया है कि एवरेज मार्क्स 323 आए हैं सभी बच्चों का अक्रॉस द नेशन. अगर NTA क्यों उस डेटा को शेयर नहीं कर रहा है जहां पर जिन सेंटर्स पर एवरेज 400 से ऊपर है? अगर उन डेटा
एवरेज ऊपर है तो स्टूडेंट्स भी तो अच्छे हो सकते हैं. I mean, you no one minute. There is no complete solution. You are saying एक आप आउटलायर पॉलिसी कर दीजिए कि any center where the average is more than 400 should come under scrutiny. Why? It could be a center where the students are very good, where they worked very hard, where they've been academically prepared.
No, my point is there are two parameters. Above 400 and the students jahan pe
no, these are all, you see, you are talking from a distance. Look at it from the point of view of a student. Suppose a student has got 680 marks. How much have you got?
Yeah, आपने कहा कि
आपको कितना मिला?
मुझे
620 मिला.
627.
तो आपकी रैंक क्या है?
50,000 अराउंड. 50,000.
50,000 अराउंड. आपको सीट मिलेगी प्राइवेट?
नहीं मिलेगा.
प्राइवेट में मिलेगा.
प्राइवेट में मिलेगा.
प्राइवेट अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं?
No.
Do you have the money for private?
No.
What will you do?
मैं मतलब फिर अभी तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि हाँ
retest लेंगे आप? Will you take a retest?
Yeah.
You're ready for a retest. But tell me one thing now. Now tell me logically. If there is someone who has scored 680.
Yes.
What rank will it give him?
680 in 2023 is 1742.
Which means he gets a good government college?
In last year.
Good government college?
But this year he'll get, the rank is 8,874. But he'll not get the desired college as per his expectations.
No, but then at the end of the day, what if, I'm just playing devil's advocate, what if the NTA says, listen, this is the best we can do right now, take it or leave it. आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, if you got 680, you're not happy, you think you'll do better, take it next year.
Sir, the point is, जो बच्चा 680 पर है, उससे हो सकता है उसकी इच्छा का कॉलेज ना मिल रहा हो, agreed. But sir, जो बच्चा 600 नंबर पे था,
हर बच्चे की अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है ना.
नहीं सर, 600 नंबर वाले को तो कॉलेज ही नहीं मिल रहा है. पिछली बार 600 नंबर वाले को कॉलेज.
My problem is this. I'll go to Badri Narayan here because I saw a very hot debate on the Hindi channel earlier. My question is, Badri Narayan, there is not going to be a perfect solution. You are raising the expectations of the students and you're not going to be able to deliver. What I'm trying to say, I'm for the students here, but what I'm saying, if you are going to be for the students, don't use the students. I'm telling all the coaching centers, I'm telling all the career institutes, I'm telling all the private tutorials, because I know for you it's a business, for them it's their life.
Yes. Sir,
I'm just trying to say this, I've been through this, for them it's their life. You know, coaching centers अपने quasi battles fight कर रहे हैं. They बड़े-बड़े companies हैं, करोड़ों का इनकी आमदनी होती है, they earn hundreds of crores. For them, it's their life. Badri Narayan, what is to be done?
Yeah.
Badri Narayan, what is to be done? Lines are open. Lines are open. Lines are. Oh yeah, go on. Badri, go on.
Hello.
Badri ji, go on.
You are able to listen me?
I can hear you and see you. Yeah, loud and clear. Go on.
Yeah. Just let me begin with my point from here. NTA has tried to expand make this entire examination process, public examination process, very inclusive. It took it to the very interior. It made the centers in the villages this time. Their registrations raised this time, and it made.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? I mean, you know, you're here to do PR for NTA. I won't allow you, Badri ji, you are doing PR for NTA today on my program.
Yes. Listen.
Up, you are free to take him on, Professor. No, 1 minute. We'll put the students on one side versus you, sir.
I know. Just let me tell my points also. Actually, there is a two view. One view is this, that the NTA is very responsible agency and categorically said there is a new.
Okay, no, 1 minute. Let the students take him on. Let them. इनको take on. No, 1 minute. Badri ji को एक side पे रखे. 1 minute. Badri ji, you'll have to take them on. Students first.
Yes.
He's saying it's a very responsible agency. It's done a good job. It's got. Speak up. No, then speak up, students. It's my program. आप बोलिए इनको बोलिए. एक मिनट. आप बोलिए. Both of all of you.
We would not have won the case today if it was responsible. The grace marks are definitely they are wrong and they have accepted it in the Supreme Court.
And it's an admission that they have messed up.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So Badri ji, what's your response to the students?
No, grace marks, as far as
This grace marks is not the issue. Lease is the issue.
As a method, they have opted from the Supreme Court, this 1 year Supreme Court decision about the CLAT. and they have adopted this method to recover this loss of the time.
Badri ji, CLAT is an online paper. Sir, you're comparing apples and oranges. Am I right?
They have revised it.
अरे you don't know. It seems to you me, Badri ji, आपने कोई exam नहीं लिया. Sorry, I'm being respectful to you. CLAT is online. This is physical. How are you comparing? आप बोलिए ना. No, 1 minute. The gentleman in the green shirt. बोलिए. Speak up.
Commitment of the government, you know.
We cannot.
एक मिनट Badri ji, students ask you. बोलिए
cannot
louder.
calculate-
Close up on them on camera too. Yeah, बोलिए.
Sir, we cannot calculate the
Camera को
efficiency
देख
of
के
a student in offline NEET because the efficiency of a student is high in starting, but in the end the efficiency is very low.
1 minute.
Very low because a student attempt biology in starting, but in the end he or she attempt physics or chemistry, in
Physics
which
or
the
chemistry,
efficiency
right.
is very low.
Correct.
Right.